Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can unlock and build a Wharf in Windrose. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, complete the I need a bigger board quest, and once you complete or get yourself a bigger board, you need to get into the build mode, hit right click, and you're gonna see that this shipwrights workshop is unlocked for you. This is gonna take 5 copper ingot, 10 coarse fabric and 15 pieces of wood. So just craft this. So basically you need to put this under a roof, otherwise you won't be able to use it. So that's why make sure to put it under a roof like this. Now you need to craft anything to use the workshop. I'll just craft 12 pounders and just craft this, take all. Now after you use the workshop, you're gonna see in the build mode we have unlocked the Wharf. So this will get unlocked only once you basically use the shipwrights workshop. So once you have Wharf, you can just build this near the water or inside the water, wherever you like, but make sure to put it close to water, or as I said, under the water. I'm gonna put it right here, I guess. Okay, now we can just get into the Wharf and use it to manage the ship. Like right here, if you click on manage ship option, you'll able to open the cargo. You can put any items you want inside the cargo. You can also put the ship gear right here, like this place is for cannons, so I can just put it there. Now you can also get into customization, and right here you'll able to customize your ship or boat by using the Wharf. And you can also change the name. Let's say we name it LLE, just hit confirm, and that way we'll able to change the ship name or manage a ship. So yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to unlock and build a Wharf in Windrose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.